Hi everyone. This is the house that Zane Grey wrote a lot of his books in. He was born in 1872 and died in 1939. And he owned this property in 1905 to 1918. He was a very prolific writer of Western novels. And this house now belongs to the National Park Service. In these rooms, Zane Grey did the majority of his writing. He preferred to sit in a chair and write, rather than writing at a desk. This chair is the Morse chair, and this is the chair he preferred to write in, with a lap board for the desk. Shutting himself in 2 rooms on the first floor, Zane Grey would write for extended periods, often skipping meals and working late into the night. And for those of you who do not know, Zane Grey was a very famous Western writer. And he was before Louis L'Amour's time.